Hello everyone, my name is Mona and I'm a class 9 student. Today I want to share my painting journey with you. When I first saw the bird reference, I thought it would be easy to draw. But when I started sketching, I realized that every small detail is important. First, I made the pencil drawing step by step. I carefully drew the beak, eye, feathers and branch. After completing the sketch, I started coloring. In the beginning, everything looked fine, but as I moved it forward, I felt that something was not right. The bird shape was not looking very natural. The colors were also not matching the reference properly. Honestly, I was a little disappointed because I had worked very hard on it. But then I remembered something important. Every artist faces problems while creating art. So instead of giving up, I asked Akhil for help. Sir carefully looked at my painting and explained where I was making mistakes. Then he showed me how small correction can make a big difference. He improved the shape, correct the color tones, and added better details to the feather. Slowly the painting looked much better. At that moment, I learned a very important lesson. Good art is not about being perfect from the beginning. Good art is about improving step by step. The more you observe, practice and learn, the better our artwork becomes. Finally, when the painting was completed, my favorite moment came, removing the masking tape. As soon as the tape came off, a clean white border appeared around the painting. Suddenly the artwork looked more beautiful, neat and professional. Then painting taught me that mistakes are not failures. Mistakes help us learn and learning helps us grow. I would like to thank Akhil sir for greeting me, for guiding me and helping me improve this painting. Thank you so much for watching my artwork journey. If you like drawing and painting, keep practicing and never give up, because every great artist starts with a simple painting. Thank you.